Electrons are one of the fundamental parts of an atom, and knowing how they behave is essential for knowledge about the atom. My big question is, how do electrons behave inside of an atom? The first thing you need to know about electrons is you cannot know their position or velocity at the same exact time. This is because a man by the name of Werner Heisenberg created the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. This principle states that you cannot find the velocity and the position of an electron at the exact same time. This is because when you're trying to find the location of an electron, you push it around. So you can't record it unless you're moving it. There are still a couple ways to find the electron's position. Initially, people believed the Bohr model, created by Niels Bohr. This was later elaborated on by Erwin Schrödinger, who developed the Schrödinger electron cloud model. This electron cloud model stated where the electron was going to be most of the time. The cloud in the electron cloud model represented the quote-unquote cloud of electrons, where it was going to be around 90% of the time. Niels Bohr believed that the electrons traveled in these so-called rings around the atom. However, this was too simplistic to describe the movement and position of electrons. This is where de Broglie's equation comes in. De Broglie's equation is used to find the wavelength of electrons. However, it can also be used to find the velocity of an electron, given you have the Planck's constant, the mass in kilograms, and the wavelength. So how do electrons behave inside of atoms? We found out that the electron's behavior is always uncertain. Since it is so small, we can't record it using conventional techniques. However, we have learned of ways to bypass this using formulas and models to determine the location of an electron.